Okay, I'm going to talk to you today about these false lashes. I like that they actually come with, this one is a little bit more full, if you want like a nighttime look. And this one, it looks like you could, wear this in the daytime. Um, yeah, so I like that it comes with different types. These are actually very interesting. These are magnetic. So comes with an eyeliner, but if you look, it actually has, after you put the eyeliner on, then this magnetic strip actually goes on the line closest on your eyelid closest to your real lashes, and then uh, it just sticks to it. So that's makes it really easy to use. So I'm gonna try this out right now, and we'll see how it looks. Okay. Okay. Well, okay. So that's the eyeliner. I think this eyeliner kind of doubles as a glue as well for the magnetic strip here. So I'm gonna apply this. And it says put it really close to your natural lashes. So that's what I'm doing. And should wait 1 minute to let it dry, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put the lash on. Yeah, actually it does, you can see I kind of messed up got some of it on my finger there, but it does actually come with a tool, so that doesn't happen. You don't have to mess up your makeup, you can use the tool instead. Um, yeah, I do like this because sometimes lashes can come off, like if the glue isn't in place good enough or if the glue isn't good, but this keeps it right in place where you need it. So yeah, I like that. And then it's really easy to take off because of the magnetic strip. So yeah, it's a really nice product. Okay, so I've already applied this eyeliner is magnetic. So the eyelashes actually have tiny magnets on them, so it just attaches here, and it looks like my natural lashes. So it's pretty nice. Um, yeah, and that's all you need.